Hey, I'm Bradley Charbonneau, the author of Audio for Authors, where I dig deep into podcasting and even dictation, but also audiobooks. But basically, anything, whereas normally we authors are the written word, getting it into voice, recording your work, having the audio version, the voice version of our work. And I get a lot of questions about, is it worth it? How much work is it? ROI, return on investment for the time and the effort. And it's an interesting call because I almost want to put a disclaimer in there and say it's worth it if you love it. It's worth it if you think I cannot not do this. I have to do this. So then you get a pass. Then you're okay. Then you should do it. But for the rest of you, and I say you because it's not me, because I'm in the group of I have to do it. I mean, there's just no question. I will figure out the technology. I will get the microphone. I'll cordon off my room and all that stuff. But I'd like to give you a taste of the real deal, of how it works, of how to do it. And I thought about this and I thought, how could I do this? How could I walk you through the real deal without totally freaking you out if you're on the fence? But then also, if you are on that fence and you think, you know what, I'm not sure. I want to walk you through and show you the real deal before you get started down that path. You get halfway and you think, oh man, this is a pain. And you bought a microphone and blah, blah, blah. So I want to do a short story. I'm going to do a really short book, it should be an article, but I'd like to publish it as a book and an audiobook just for kicks, but also partly for this experiment to see what it's like to record a short audiobook, have it up there on the different outlets that are not the subscription based because with the credit, because if the credit, and there's, by the way, this is an important point in the audiobook world. With Audible, for example, you have credits, 1 credit per month, and it costs you $14.99 or whatever. And for that credit, you can have any book you want, any book they have. But if you think about it, that means I could have a book that's half an hour, or I could have a book that's 10 hours. Well, if it's not just quality, there's also quantity. I mean, I want to listen to this long story for my car trip, for my commute, and I want the 10-hour book. So I get it. And that's why a short piece doesn't really necessarily work for the Audible model, but there are lots of other models out there. There's also more of a Netflix type model where you pay your monthly fee and you get it all. Or there's the a la carte option where you just pay and you pay whatever, $1.99 for this little short story. So that aside, because this is going to be some work. By the way, it's work. It's hard. I'm a technical guy. I think it's technical. I think it's tough. So I want to walk you through it so you can make your own decisions about this and see what you want to do. All right? I'm Bradley Charbonneau. I'm going to record a short, really short, like an article, audiobook, but I'll have good stuff. I'll have like the preface and the forward, and I'll split it up in a few chapters so I can show us how the chapters are broken apart, like in the audio, digital mastering, whatever it's called, software. See, I don't even know what the software is called. That's how not a pro I am. Hey, but I've also read 4, 5, 6 books now, audiobooks, and they've passed the specifications testing. So I know what I'm doing, but it's not exactly, I'm not a professional narrator. Well, not yet. All right, join me. Let's record an audiobook together, super short one. See if this is a crazy idea for you, or to see if, wow, thanks for opening up this world to me. And I'm going down this path, and I'm all in. All right? I'm Bradley Charbonneau. Thanks so much for showing up, and I'll see you on the inside.